Hello my YouTube family, welcome again my new video, and in this video I am going to share with you how to improve think in English, how to build think in English. Friend, this is the biggest problem for every learners, for every student. If you are a student, then you have this question. I had this question in my previous day because I don't know how to speak English. So I had this question in my previous day, but today I can speak little bit. I can speak little bit. So that is why I want to suggest you my personal opinion, my personal things. I want to share with you how I build my think in English. So first is start learn vocabulary. Friends, any language it's need vocabulary. Without vocabulary you can't speak in English, you can't speak any language. So it is a need improve your vocabulary. So first of all, improve your vocabulary, and not only learn. Friends, not only learn, you should try to use this vocabulary. Without using, you can't speak English, you can't make sentences. you know so you should start learn vocabulary and use vocabulary while speaking, while thinking. Friends, for example, you learn one vocabulary, like this is tree. This is tree, and which tree? This papaya tree. And uh, this is leaf. So start thinking leaf again and again. I'm showing this leaf, I'm touch this leaf, and this is leaf, and this is damaged leaf. uh, this is damaged leaf, and a lot of things here. And here is pomegranate leaf and guava leaf, a lot of things here if you want to think in English. So it's a need to start think. Friends, some people they ask, I start think, but how I start thinking, but how? And they start thinking, and they just speak, they just think some little bit, and and stuck. Why? The reason is you not have vocabulary, enough vocabulary. So every language needs enough vocabulary. If you have enough vocabulary, then you can speak, you can think already, definitely. So just think in English, it's neat. And the next thing is how I use vocabulary in my entire day, how I use my vocabulary, and how I think this vocabulary in entire day. First of all, you take one example. Just I this wall, and I am just leaning this wall. I am leaning means किसी के सहारे उठंगना, जिसको हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं, या किसी के सहारे खड़े होना या बैठना, उसको लीनिंग बोला जाता है. ठीक है, तो लीनिंग, आई एम लीनिंग ऑन द वॉल, आई एम लीनिंग ऑन द वॉल. ओके, एंड दिस इज one sentence, one word. ओके, लीनिंग. एंड हेयर इज आई एम लीनिंग, क्योंकि मैं इसके सहारे खड़ी हूँ. अब इसके मुझे बोला जाए कि मैं इसमें खड़ी थी, तो आई एम लीनिंग, सॉरी, आई वॉज लीन्ड. इस तरीके से this way you try to think, you try to speak, you try to use your vocabulary in your entire day. Okay, and the next thing is must be important. Start describing what happened all around you. This is the most important, and this is a very essential in order to speak English. Why? Because if you are a housewife, then you're not going to another work. You only do house chores. So you should start describing what happened in all around you. Today, just I want to show you. Here is rain, started rain. If you might be see that, just here is water drops. Water drops is fallen because it's rain. It's still rain. So it is a rainy season and it is a rain. Okay, so I also enjoy this season and I also like this season. Why? Because rainy season here is not, sunny day. It's a natural, wind is very cool. A lot of things made me happy. A lot of things made me happy. So I enjoy this season. I love this season. Then just start describing. Today has a lot of rain. Today has a lot of rain. And today start still raining. And here is, filled with water, because here is start rain a lot. And you know just show I want to show you. Look at this. This is my garden, and the garden is filled with only, grasses. Why why what are the reason behind it? This is the reason because here is has a lot of rain. And not only today, just 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, many days has a lot of rain. That is why the grasses is, grow. And this field is, this field is have to be cultivated. मीन्स अभी इसमें खेती करना बचा है, क्योंकि अभी बारिश हो रही है. जैसे ही खेत जो है कि सूखेगा, इसके बाद इसमें जो है कि मक्के लगाए जाएंगे. एंड आई डोंट से मक्के मीन्स आई थिंक कॉर्न. I think if you are wrong, so you comment now. But this field is have to be cultivated. If you want to really speak English, so you should try to speak. You should try to speak every single day. If you want to become a fluent speaker, if you want to speak confidently and fluently without any stuck, without any fumbling, and without any hesitation, I would say hesitation, it's every learners have. Why? Because you don't have enough vocabulary, you don't have confidence, and you don't believe in yourself. English speaking, it is not very easy. I would say it is not very easy, because first of all, this is a village. I'm a villager, and here is I don't know, but in my village side no anyone can speak English, because they only speak our mother tongue. Why? Because your parents speak mother tongue, your parents grandparents speak, so that is why you speak. But you have to change yourself, you have to learn, you have to make yourself better. So you have to take action, you have to do something in order to speak English. I don't say only speaking only English language. No, any language, any subject, any field. So you have to take action, so. And the next thing is start listen story. I would say start listen kids story. Why? Because kids story used very easy language, used very easy words, then you can understand this story very easily. So that is why I recommend you start listen story. And just you start and try to imitate in order to speak. And when you listen all story, then try to think what is the story and what happened in the story, and who is villain in this story, who is writer, who is and what is main thing this story. So just start think in story, think what is happened in this story. Okay. And in हिंदी जब आप किसी चीज़ को सुनते हैं या देखते हैं, तो वो चीज़ आपके दिमाग में क्या होती है, घूमने लगती है. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने उस चीज़ को सुना है और देखा है. जैसे मैं बोलूँ कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे कुछ चीज़ होते हुए देखूँगी, तो वो चीज़ यहाँ मेरे दिमाग में पूरे दिन या इंटायर डे घूमते रहता है कि आज ये हुआ, आज यहाँ पर यह चीज़ हुआ, और यहाँ तक कि क्या हुआ यह मुझे सपने में भी आने लगता है. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई वॉन्ट टू सजेस्ट यू start listening. Okay, start listening, and when you start listening, then mind your start working, your mind is start working. What is happened, what is happened, so. And the next thing is, if you want to learn English myself in English, then you should start thinking and think what I do, what I was do, and what I will do. Start thinking, and just not only think, you should start speaking again. You should start speaking again. Just same like I have to do this work, I have to do this work, and I have to make food, I have to go market, I want to buy something for my husband, I want to buy something for me, I want to buy sari, and a lot of things available if you want to think in English, if you want to learn English. So here is a lot of things available, but just need start. First is, I would say, it's need to start. स्टार्ट करने की ज़रूरत है. बाकी यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिसको इंग्लिश में बोला जाता है, जिसको इंग्लिश में बोला जा सकता है. बस शुरुआत करना है. फ्रेंड्स, बस शुरुआत करने की ज़रूरत है. ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स, just take a lot of efforts and you will see your English is improved. You will see your English is improved and you speak very well. You become a fluent speaker one day. Okay, so take action. Start today onwards, and not think I should give up. This is a bad thing. This is a bad thing for your English. Okay, so just take action and start learn today onwards. Friends, this is a evening time and here is rain already started, and I am stand on my garden. So here is mosquito, and mosquito started cutting me. So just stop this video and start learn today onwards. Okay, so we'll meet till the next video. Have a nice day, great day. So see you soon again, and improve your English today onwards. So bye bye.